These coming elections at yung paghahanda ng Meralco, binabanggit nila, meron silang mga pinipinpoint na mga areas of concern and yun yung pinaghahandaan po nila.
So lastly sir, on my part, yung talking of efficiency, kanino ba natin dapat i-compare yung, let's say, Meralco as
It's a good one.
company na kanino ba natin siya ikumpara para masabi natin na
Efficient.
they are the most efficient electric utility dito sa ating bansa. Siyempre, kung para tignan natin, is it local or supposed to be, compare natin sa isang international
Sa mga
standard?
cooperative.
That's a good question. For me, it should be both. Local and international. Kasi pag yung local lang, sasabihin natin, local sobrang laki mo higante ka compared